This is the new NMR facility at the ULB, and so it's brand new since a couple of months actually. And these instruments are used by 4 different faculties, about 14 teams, and a total about 60-80 researchers which are using them. And we are mainly concerned, of course, by structure characterization, elucidation, but also what is typical from our lab, this is physical chemistry. The characteristic of the lab is to study physical chemistry by NMR, only in solutions. So these are solution state NMR instrumentation. We need high stability of the magnetic field and high homogeneity of the magnetic field. What we need to have is what we call narrow lines, narrow signals, and which are stable in time. And then we need different accessories because these instrumentation are equipped with different probe. It means it's an accessory of the instrumentation that allows you to study different nuclei. And also we are set up for variable temperature experiment. That's very nice because we can easily go down to minus 80 Celsius and up to about 120 Celsius. This for us a nice broad range of temperature for liquid state at least. At this stage I have to say that I am quite glad about what we got. So it's still very recent, I'm still discovering the instrumentation. And as far as stability is concerned, as far as the quality of the spectra is concerned, I'm very, very glad. And not only myself, also the researcher. We have another lab on the other campus, and obviously researcher noted that the spectra from this lab were better quality. The engineer was regularly present. It's very easy. Okay, they are located not far from Brussels, so it's very rapid for the engineer to come to the lab. And I could also contact the lab in England, in UK, for having additional information. And for the support for the installation, that was really good. We are going to have the training, very intense training for 4 days. What I appreciate is that people, a couple of engineers, know the systems and know the history of the system and know our specificity. We have a range of application which is not, I would say, usual in most of the lab. That's one aspect. The other aspect is that I would like to couple this instrumentation with laser. So I'm interested in photochemistry and I want to be able to illuminate samples within the magnet. One aspect we were not doing in the past is what's called metabonomics, is the study of complex mixture, and the medical school, medicine faculty and pharmacy as well. I'm very interested in being able to analyze complex mixture, complex samples, and that's one aspect. And the other one is really to use these capabilities about fluorine, proton, and so-called X nuclei to perform 2- or 3-dimensional experiments, notably in polymer chemistry.